To remove a taper lock pulley, 3 holes, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. These two have 2 grub screws in. Undo those grub screws. Take 1 grub screw and put it in the 12 o'clock hole and tighten. And keep tightening. And as it tightens, the 2 will come apart. The taper lock in the middle is then free to come off, and then the pulley is as well. So to put on a taper lock pulley, put the outer on first and put the inner bit on next. Position where it wants to be on the shaft and then bring the outer out. So we've got the 3 holes, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Take your 2 grub screws, one at 9 o'clock, one at 3 o'clock, and tighten. And make sure they're tight. And now it's fixed onto the shaft.